So we just got back in from an ocean run. What's your take? I'd like some feedback.
I love it. It's made a big difference for this boat.
What?
Out of the rough, I would say rough 3-4 foot waves, 3 foot waves. It feels like I'm 1.5 to 2 feet chopping out, going outward, which is usually a struggle on this boat. I've seen a couple other things that are nice. I can drop the running speed another 3 or 4 miles an hour before it starts to plow. So it looks like it's going to maintain better speed. When I'm doing high-speed troll, it's going to be better. I usually high-speed troll at 17. I can high-speed troll with this at 14, 15, and 16. That's another nice thing. I saw a little bit of a negative effect on miles, but once it had time to replan itself, I can't discern the difference anymore. It looks like it takes a few minutes to figure out what it's supposed to be doing exactly. Also, when we first installed it, it did a little nudging. That's gone, but it was doing it before. You know what? My wife's gonna love this thing. She's gonna love it. Good spend.
Now we just got to get Peruno to update their system.
Yeah, we get Peruno updated so I don't have to.
So we're not running around the Ray.
I don't have to lug around a Ray or even tune it.
And this is a 2020 Pursuit 325.
325 OS.